Hi.
Oh, hey, how are you? I thought you were still in there.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Andrew.
This is the truck.
Okay.
So it wasn't locked last night, but this happened last night, but I locked it because I was leaving it here and this is not the best area. So
Yes.
now I'm locked out of it too, technically.
220 more 40, so 260.
Oh, all right, yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. The remote programming successful, so we check it out. Lock, lock, unlock. With the key we see stored. Perfect. Now we programming the new key. Programming successful. We learn here. Process is complete, so we learn the no. Yes. So now it's gonna start the car. All good. 2017 Toyota Tundra. What?
Awesome. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.